So the very first thing I thought about when I entered the cryptocurrency space was how could we use this technology to actually resolve the problems of the developing world?
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. While Bitcoin still goes lower and lower in price, it has encouraged stability in other coins in the wider crypto market, with Ethereum, Ether, Cardano, ADA, Binance Coin, and Ripple XRP all resisting any wild price swings at the moment. Analysts and professionals remain uncertain over which way the market is steering from here, but Cardano investors are still very bullish on the coin's future, and in today's video, we're going to bring you some shocking reports about Cardano. Is it going to climb in price amidst all the upgrades and developments? How soon is it going to hit the all-time high mark of $200? Stick around until the end of this video to get a detailed analysis of market factors and investment expectations. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any recent updates in the world of investing. Cardano is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies around the world at the moment. It might be a decent bargain if you're scheming for a long-term investment. How many of us realized that the year 2015 commemorated another master cryptocurrency's beginning? Not multiple, until it became the third most popular crypto money, breaking 74,000% up to last year. That's the Cardano system, now contemplated as one of the most popular and scalable systems in the World Economic Forum. So how could it reach 200? When will this be possible? Prior to exploring the Cardano price projection, let's have a sneak peek at some of the unusual features of this altcoin. Cardano has somehow managed to snatch a considerable crypto space. But how did this arise? The most wonderful transition. The project strived for a different propulsion in blockchain technology, and successful in the same, this network developed to be the main peer-reviewed online asset. Expanding on it, the platform works on proof of stake and bypasses the current sustainability debates. This means that a user can keep benefits and even exchange assets with maximum security and safety being applied. The official Cardano website announces that the world can use ADA as a secure exchange of value without a third-party mediation. Right now, the altcoin has an allowance limit of 45 billion tokens, and summaries even say that 95% of ADA coins are held in the Asian population. Why is it projected by some to grow exponentially to $200? Deemed to be a third-generation blockchain, the project is distinct from Bitcoin or that of many others. The asset commenced with a bullish direction at the beginning. After some time, the altcoin hit an all-time high of $2.4, as the Cardano Foundation circulated an infographic that implies its ADA cryptocurrency is ideal for Tesla. When the market smashed, the price plummeted substantially for all currencies but Cardano, and it survived the worst part of the recession so far. Nowadays, Cardano is being raced because of its profitable proof-of-stake mining process that curbs the carbon footprint. If the system works more towards sustainability, then it might persuade environment-conscious investors, stepping the price up by the end of the year. Nonetheless, if the network does not produce any extraordinary development, it might barely carry over its current investors who hold the currency due to its raised profits and user-friendliness. In such cases, the price may not move at a decent average figure of around $4. If this year shuts on reaching the prediction elation, Cardano might start again the trade in 2022 bullish. So the 2022 yearly trade might begin with bullish values between $4 and $5. However, if this year expires with the price plummeting into a bearish trap, hitting the lows, Cardano will start marketing bearishly, initiating the year 2022. That is, earlier 2022. We will see an ADA price average and high of $5. If additional celebrities debate about the environmental after effect of crypto freaks like Bitcoin, Cardano's price will ultimately surge and even break new ATH at $7.17, as ADA will act as a reasonably better alternative and many people will begin capitalizing on this token. On the other side, if more difficulties arise with the viability of the network's proof-of-stake method, many investors may resign from the ADA community and the price might take a dip substantially to lower levels. In about 3 years from now, if Cardano executes its open voting system, the network might forfeit a region of its traders, risking the price to plunge near $10. However, contemplating that ADA has enhanced bug prevention systems, and if it might operate efficiently with the exact system down the years, the price may climb in average figures near $20. Succeeding another way around, If ADA flags some programs and collaborations that can additionally work to expand its two-layer security, the price might rise even faster than anticipated before. What can add to this significant rise? New updates in smart contracts might start to work efficiently, and so the ADA price might hit a maximum of $30 by the verge of the next 5 years. However, the more long-term the undertaking, the harder it is to indicate its outcome. Still, Cardano has a bunch of things going for it. It's got a decent adaptability to change, a substantial roadmap, a devoted and talented team behind it, and is eco-friendly. All these factors suggest that it's here to stay. While it is difficult for ADA price prediction 2030 and beyond, we think that it's a big long-term investment, well past the current records held by other currencies. What is it about Cardano that other systems lack? Why is its meteoric progress so apparent? Well, we'll try and explain everything. The entire blockchain is halved into two separate layers, namely the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational level. They work side by side to give significance to the other. Let's discern how the layers add importance to the network. The CSL facilitates the peer-to-peer agreements within the network using the novel Ouroboros mechanism. On the other side, the smart contract instrument is taken over by the CCL layer, allowing a flawless progression in both segments. What about the algorithm? Cardano uses a POS algorithm called a proof of stake. It works to eliminate any safety threats from the system. However, it's not the traditional proof of stake mechanism, but a prototype similar to it with a difference. The agreement of Cardano is often labeled Ouroboros POS, and brings a different proportion to the creation. It means that unlike POS, where the biggest token holders get priority, Ouroboros redefined this and made time niches, also called an epoch. Epoch has a niche leader, and each one is selected by others in the niche. These leaders accomplish creation in each epoch, and each leader gets an opportunity to do it. But why would we need to do this? This mechanism decreases network congestion, increasing bargain speed. Having a glance at the new Cardano roadmap, it's quite fascinating to see the network sending new updates on a weekly schedule. Initiating the month, the network had a crucial update, creating a new storage space, which facilitates the wallet to finance tokens even in decimals. The team is also operating on a proof of concept mechanism presently. The week's improvement includes advancement in decentralization. If ADA concentrates on building the user base, twisting it from developing to developed network, as well as its procedure, it may increase new investors, raising the year-end's figures to a very decent value. Also, investors will start financing in ADA since it is trending post Elon Musk walking back from Bitcoin. ADA could moonshoot to $100. Cardano needs approximately 6.5 times the market top to reach that level. Cardano specialists say it's better to hold ADA and observe its trends. How are we confident? The history and rise of Cardano has been nothing short of phenomenal. Cardano's team boosted more than $63 million during its inauguration. Over the initial week from launch, ADA encountered significant growth, rising in value and smashing a market cap of over $600 million by October 1st, 2017. It rapidly got listed on numerous top cryptocurrency exchanges, and on November 29, 2017, the coin ascended over 142.4%, improving its market cap to $3.5 billion. It hasn't looked back since then. The phenomenal and meteoric rise of Cardano over the preceding 3 months is grabbing the attention of some of the heaviest investors in cryptocurrencies. Billionaire Michael Novogratz strived to crowdsource data on the digital token, also known as ADA, asking for assistance to explain the further than 6-fold surge since the middle of December that made it the third biggest cryptocurrency by market significance after stalwarts Bitcoin and Ethereum. Novogratz isn't the only one inquiring about what's going on with the system that still lacks many functionalities accessible on its more established rivals. That hasn't halted it from developing a loyal following, identical to many of the other cryptos that rose at the start of the year. It's quite possibly going to go above $100 in the future and might even touch $200. Perhaps investors are purchasing Cardano's promise or just worry about missing out on the profits. It's termed as a better Ethereum, which has arisen as the innovation hub for programs and efforts to issue digital signatures on blockchains. With marketing fees on Ethereum high, creators are looking at an option on networks such as Cardano. We did it right, but it meant we were one of the last ones to get to the market, Hoskinson said. He said that he doesn't really know why Cardano's value suddenly shot up, and the climb will continue. While you're here, you might want to go and see one of the 2 videos on your screen, which will help you comprehend everything better. Stay tuned for more updates.